Hello there! In this video, I'll show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Vauxhall Corsa D, even though today, there's no chance of rain whatsoever. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, this is a quick, simple job that only takes 1 minute. Step 1 is to pull the wiper arm off the window, then rotate the blade to form the letter T. Next, put your thumbs here, then push the blade in the direction of the arrow, which is away from the car. And there we are, it comes free. That was nice and simple, as is fitting the new blade. Note first this bar on the wiper blade. Here's a close-up. The bar slides into this slot at the end of the wiper arm. Now we push the end of the wiper arm through this hole in the blade and then slide the blade down the arm until the bar lines up with the slot. Alright, so that's something like this. And it may take a little bit of jiggery-pokery. And when the bar's lined up in the slot, simply click it into position, like so. And finally, rotate the blade like so to get rid of the letter T, and then fold the arm gently back against the glass. This car is in desperate need of a clean, both inside and out. Anyway, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.